Book 2, Chapter 6 of On War. This LibriVox recording is in the public domain. Recording by Timothy Ferguson. On War by Karl von Clausewitz. Translated by Colonel J. J. Graham. Chapter 6, on Examples. Examples from history make everything clear and furnish the best description of proof in the empirical sciences. This applies with more force to the art of war than any other. General Scharnhorst, whose handbook is the best ever written on actual war, pronounces historical examples to be of the first importance, and makes an admirable use of them himself. Had he survived the war in which he fell, the fourth part of his revised treatise on artillery would have given a still greater proof of the observing and enlightened spirit in which he sifted matters of experience. But such use of historical examples is rarely made by theoretical writers. The way in which they more commonly make use of them is rather calculated to leave the mind unsatisfied, as well as to offend the understanding. We therefore think it important to bring specially into view the use and abuse of historical examples. Unquestionably, the